Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize text cursor in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first just go to start option and then open up your settings app. Now from here go to time and language option. After that go to typing option and then scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can see text cursor option. Then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can customize your text cursor. At the first you can see text cursor indicator option. You can enable or disable it from here, and from here you can change your text cursor size. You can also change your text cursor color from here, and you can choose any color as you like. If I select it, and you can see it's changed successfully. Now if you scroll down, you can also change your text cursor thickness from here, and here you can see a slider, and by removing this slider you can set any level as you want. You can see text cursor thickness has been changed successfully. From here you can check your preview, and that's it. And that is how you can customize text cursor in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.